Hello everyone, my name is Tommy and I'll tell you what if correct in the concrete could fix themselves. Wow, that's amazing and incredible. They could fix themselves. And let's zoom in and begin with the parts. Part 1. Cement, concrete is a combination of coated stone. Yes, it's a stone and it's hard. It's like a rock and it's hard to break. Yes. And that first part. So the second part, cement or a powdered blend. Yes, you mix that. This is the part of the two. Now I'm waiting for part 3. Hydration. Yes, is we sealed up and we have the two currents lift up together and begin the hydration part. When the cement and the carbon mix together, it begin with a hydration. Yes, it begin with a circle. Yeah, carbon dioxide that corrode the steel. Yes, that's rods. And you know that many parts can be the FaO3. Yes, it's unfair and it's made by stone. Yeah, and the edges of the stone, the stiffen. Yes. Reaches with the carbon dioxide in air. That is the fun part. You know that if one liquid is going in the entrance, it will go down like the root of the tree and down to the stone. It is really, very worse. Yes, it can break the stone or in the fire or what? Yes. That's very hot and worse. Yes. A lesson in self-helping with. Yes, you know that it's a bacteria that carries the keep quiet. Some spores are sleeping here. Yes, have to be quiet. Yes, and why? For years, 2 years, they are asleep, and one day the bacteria the water kills them and begin with the bacteria. It slide. Yes. And then the rock was done. There was fixes. Yes. And they keep quiet. Some spores are sleeping here. We're going to one cycle of a time. Yes. Wow. That's the end. And now this is question time. Today's question is we have one question is I tell you is a lesson itself hearing with. What is that? You have 10 seconds to think. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is a bacteria and steal up and fix the rock. And they die when they fix the rock. Yes. And I want to have two questions. Are you ready? Yes. Question 2. What is hydration? You have 5 seconds to have because this is an easy question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Hydration is made with carbon and cement mixed together and full. The hydration is a circle, right? Okay, now the last question, the third question. Are you ready for question? Now, that is a hard question, a normal question, or easy question. You want a normal question? Yes. Okay. What is keep quiet? Some spores are sleeping here. Yes, they are a bacteria that have cycled all over the cycle system. Yes, they pop out when liquid were around, and bacteria are going to seal up. Yes, and now the stone was fixed. The cracked stone was fixed. Yes. Goodbye, everyone. This is the end of my presentation. Cheer up. Okay. And subscribe to my channel. Subscribe more if you like it. Bye bye. So you have to subscribe to me.